Nowadays it is very good because they do not wash the baby. They used to clean the baby because the baby comes with a film on their skin. But it is good because this is a protectant. Because when you look at the human skin, there is no protection. Nothing can protect the skin. So this protects the skin. It is like because you imagine the baby has been in this beautiful, warm, fluid place, and then they come to air in the hard. You understand? It is very difficult. So this gives them, it is like a transition period. They are still with this film on their skin, and it is like they are transforming them to become this harder, more material, physical thing. So the baby now is weighed and measured and all of these things. This is very important. And the baby is wrapped up. The wrapping is important in a very soft cloth because you remember that the baby has come from a very enclosed space. The birth itself was very tight, and now they have all these arms and these legs and air all around them. So we do not wrap the baby tightly, but you do wrap the baby. Some people like to put the baby's skin to the mother's skin. This is also very beneficial. So you can do this as well. You can take the baby after the weighing and the measuring and all these things and put the baby onto the mother's bare skin, not onto the mother's clothes and the baby is naked. This is absolutely meaningless. If you do not wish to take off your clothes and have nothing on and put the baby there, then wrap the baby before you put the baby onto your clothes. Why? Because the baby is coming to, this baby's skin is very soft, and your clothes may be quite, you think they're soft, but actually they're harsh. And what is the baby getting out of material? Nothing. But if you wrap it in something very soft and then you can hold it very close, it feels very secure. You see, you want to give it security. If you are willing to take your clothes off and put the baby onto your skin, and you are holding it quite close, of course it has the security skin to skin, smell to smell. The baby is going to, you will still have the birth juices, if you like, so it can smell all of this. So it is feeling very connected. So this is fine. The next thing to do is the breastfeeding. As soon as you can, get the baby interested in this, because they may not suckle straight away. In what we are saying, there may not be something coming out for them to suckle straight away. But it starts this reflex. And this reflex is one of the things that keeps them alive. It's one of the things that they actually is a survival mechanism for the human. And so get them started. Even though they may not get anything, get them started. And do both, swap over, so the baby is getting the different sides. Because if you have the baby on one side, and you do not alternate on a regular basis, then it is like swimming. If you are swimming and always you breathe to one side, when you try to breathe to the other side, you will drown. Because the body, the coordination is not there anymore. Because you're always doing one side. It is the same thing, and you want the baby to be working both sides of the body to develop both sides of the brain. So you must try both sides. Yes, all the time. This is very important. Most women do that. They do one, la la la. Women that have twins, sometimes they feed them together. Always alternate. So one time you feed them, one is on the left and one is on the right. The next time swap them. So that the one that was on the right the first time is now on the left. So that there is this movement, and they are working their body. Also, when the baby is a little bit older, not when they are brand new, but when you have them on one side, they will use their arms and they will move their legs. But if all of the weight is on one side of the body, they cannot move that side. So they will only be moving one. So you must always alternate them. Both, and what we are saying, yes, of course, people say, well, of course, one breast is I'm going to use both breasts, but some people only do one breast per sitting. What we are saying is do both breasts per sitting. You understand? So, this is important. So after the birth, this is it. Now, for the woman,